Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we try to read between the lines of corporate filings to see what companies are really up to. Today we are looking at one of the biggest aerospace companies out there, Howmet Aerospace Inc., and their latest announcement about a big deal brewing. So what is this all about? Howmet Aerospace is planning to raise a significant amount of money by selling what they call senior notes. Think of these like IS that the company is selling to investors, promising to pay them back with interest later. They need this money for a really big purchase a company called Consolidated Aerospace Manufacturing LLC, or CAM for short. This deal is estimated to cost about $1.8 billion. That is a lot of money. This whole move is really about growth. Howmet Aerospace wants to buy CAM to expand its business. They plan to use the money from these new notes along with some existing credit lines and cash they already have to pay for this acquisition. It is a classic strategy to grow by buying other companies that fit into your existing operations. Now, as with any company making big plans, especially involving future purchases, they have to include a bunch of caution. They are telling us that these statements about the future, like the success of this acquisition and how the notes will be priced, are based on their current outlook, but things could change. This is all standard procedure in these kinds of filings to protect themselves if things don't go exactly as planned. The company is laying out a whole list of potential problems that could mess up their plans. They are talking about global economic slowdowns, trade wars impacting their supply chains, cyber attacks losing big customers, manufacturing issues with their product suppliers, not delivering, or even a shortage of skilled workers. These are all real concerns for any large manufacturing company operating globally. A big one on their list of worries is simply not being able to complete the deal for CAM or not getting the benefits they expect from it afterwards. They are also worried that the integration of CAM might be harder and take longer than they think. This is a huge part of why big acquisitions can fail or take a long time to pay off. You have to not only buy the company, but merge all its operations technology and people smoothly. If you look at the very top of this document, you see the company is Howmet Aerospace Incorporated. They are registered in Delaware, a state that many companies choose for their incorporation. Their stock is traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol HWM. This tells us they are a publicly traded company, meaning their stock is available for anyone to buy and sell on the open market. And the person signing off on this report is David Crawford, Vice President and Treasurer. This is the person within the company officially confirming that the information provided in this filing is accurate to the best of their knowledge. It is a formal sign-off that shows who is responsible for this announcement. So what is my take on all this? Howmet Aerospace is clearly in an expansion phase aiming to grow through acquisitions. The proposed purchase of Consolidated Aerospace Manufacturing LLC is a significant move that could bolster their market position. However, the sheer size of the deal and the associated financing through senior notes means they are taking on considerable financial commitment and risk. The company has outlined a comprehensive list of potential risks from global economic instability to the specifics of integrating the new business. While the intention to expand is positive, the execution of this acquisition and the integration of CAM will be the real test of Howmet Aerospace's strategic vision and operational capabilities. The company's future success will depend heavily on their ability to navigate these risks, manage their debt effectively, and truly realize the synergistic benefits they anticipate from this acquisition. Investors and observers should closely monitor how this deal progresses and its impact on Howmet Aerospace's financial health and market performance in the coming quarters. Alright, that is our breakdown of Howmet Aerospace's latest announcement. What is your take on this proposed acquisition and the company's growth strategy? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps us out, and subscribe for more deep dives into corporate filings. Don't forget to check out our Discord community linked in the description for more discussions and insights. Thanks for watching. See you next time.